When I found this crispy zucchini recipe, it blew my mind, so I want to share this recipe with you. Now for this simple recipe, we've got here 3 zucchinis, and we're gonna begin by slicing them thinly. Now of course you could do this by knife, but I highly recommend getting a mandoline, because this way you're gonna get them consistently sliced. Now it's time to add in salt, and we're gonna go with about 1 tablespoon. And what the salt does in this situation, apart from seasoning, it extracts that liquid from the zucchini because it's got quite a lot. And after that, we're gonna make it easier for frying, and also it will get crispier. We need to leave it for about 10-15 minutes. Meanwhile, we're gonna prepare the rest of the ingredients. Now we need 2 egg whites, and in this situation, the eggs are tiny, so we're using 4, but if you're using large eggs, 2 will do just perfectly. Get the mixer on, and we're gonna mix this until it becomes foamy. When it's done, the egg whites should be set. You'll see how it looks in a minute. And this is what we're looking for. All set. Now look how much liquid the zucchini will leave. And we want to squeeze most of this. And although at the beginning it looked like quite a bit of salt, a lot of it will be here, will remain behind. So look, this is how much we ended up removing. Now to this, I also want to add some extra seasoning. And in this situation, I'm going with 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper and 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Now in goes 3 tablespoons of plain flour, and I also have here 1 tablespoon of cornflour. Now mix everything together. Make sure that the zucchini slices are well coated in flour. Now set the pan on medium-high heat, and when the pan is hot enough, we're going in with a good amount of olive oil. And this is some olive oil that I used previously for frying, and it's still okay to be reused. Now we're adding in the egg whites that we prepared earlier, trying to keep it as aerated as possible. I know it won't be extremely aerated, but this is the whole purpose of this. Now with the oil hot enough, we're going in just like this. But we want to leave these for about 2-3 minutes, or until they start getting a nice golden brown color around the edges. Then you know they are ready to flip. While you're doing the frying, we can make a quick and easy dip that works really well with the zucchinis. And we're adding 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, 1 clove of grated garlic, fresh dill, about 1/2 tablespoon of lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. And now we're mixing everything together, and here is your dip ready. Now when you remove them from the heat, do this on a paper towel, because you want to get rid of all that excess oil. Dip ready, zucchini ready. And if you enjoyed this simple recipe, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple recipes like this.